Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of calisthenics. In today's video, we'll be addressing a question that I'm sure many of you have asked yourselves. How long does it take to see results with calisthenics? Before we jump right into it, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting fitness content. Now let's get down to business. Embarking on a calisthenics journey is not just about physical strength. It's also a mental and emotional journey. Patience and consistency are key. Many factors come into play when determining how long it takes to see results with calisthenics, including your current fitness level, goals, genetics, and dedication to training. No two bodies are the same, which means the time it takes to see results will vary from person to person. Some individuals may notice changes within a few weeks, while others may take a few months. It all depends on how quickly your body adapts to the exercises and the effort you put into your training. In the early stages of your calisthenics journey, your body is adapting and building a foundation of strength. During this phase, you may not see drastic changes in your physique, but your muscles, tendons, and ligaments are getting stronger. It's about laying the groundwork for future progress. As you progress in your training, you'll start to notice the fruits of your labor. Moves that once seemed impossible become attainable, and your muscles become more defined. This phase often occurs around the 3 to 6 month mark, depending on your starting point and training consistency. Once you've reached the advanced phase of calisthenics, your body undergoes significant transformations. Your strength, stability, and muscle mass increase, giving you an impressive physique. This phase can take anywhere from 6 months to a year or more, depending on factors such as genetics and dedication to training. And there you have it. The journey to seeing results with calisthenics is unique to each individual. Embrace the process, trust in your body's ability to adapt, and stay consistent in your training. Remember, it's not just about the destination. It's about enjoying the journey and becoming the best version of yourself. Until next time, keep working hard, stay motivated, and as always, keep the fitness flame burning. Like and subscribe for more health and fitness content.